Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Whether it's rent, splitting a bill, or paying back a friend, Monzo makes it quick and easy. First, open your Monzo app and tap the payments icon at the bottom. Then, choose Pay Someone and select Make a Bank Transfer. Here's the key part. You'll need the recipient's name, account number, and sort code. Make sure all the details are correct. Typos can cause delays. Monzo will guide you through the rest. Just follow the on-screen instructions and enter the amount you want to send. Most transfers are instant, but sometimes they can take up to a day. Need to send a big sum? Monzo's standard transfer limit is £10,000. If you need to go higher, you can request a limit increase directly in the app. And for sending money abroad, Monzo has you covered with their Wise integration. Now, if you do decide to use Flex for a transfer, remember the 3% fee. Monzo will move the money to your current account instantly, and you can choose to pay it back in full on your repayment date. It will be interest-free for over 3 months or up to 24 months at your personalized interest rate. Just keep in mind, interest will be charged on the transferred amount and the fee if you choose a monthly payment plan. Finally, Flex transfers are not covered by Section 75 protection. So, that is all that there is to making a bank transfer with Monzo. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.